Hello guys and welcome to JavaFX tutorial for beginners from Genius Coders. So in this video we will start the UI controls. Means we have already seen the one button, and in JavaFX like swing we have in JavaFX other UI controls like radio button, checkbox, combo box, view, list view, menu. So we will see in next video, but in this video we will see how to use the radio button. So radio button means if you have seen the login form or sign up form, they have three radio buttons like male, female, and others. So in that situation, user can only choose one item at a time in that radio button list. So how it's work? So let's code for that. Firstly, we see how to code for radio button with scene, and next we will see how to code with scene builder. So I have one sample code. So I have already told you guys how to add this code. So firstly, create one class which called as a toggle group. Toggle equal to new toggle group semicolon. Add the packages. Now we have to create three radio buttons. Now new operator and radio button and give the name of our radio button like male or female. You're giving the male. Copy this 2 times. Now we have to just import the radio button package and change the object name. Also here female and others. Okay. So first we have to combine this radio button with help of toggle group. For this, we can set toggle group like this. Add code for female radio button and other radio button. Change the button object. Okay. So we have add the radio button in our toggle group. So let's add the event on the radio button. So for this, group dot set dot selected toggle property dot add listener. Okay, after adding add listener, it shows some error. Okay, we forgot to add new operator new. So they defaultly added which package we have required. We don't need to add packages. So let's see which package. Okay, so we have remaining the unimplemented method. Let's add another import toggle. Okay, we got it. Okay, it's have one argument. The argument like GP, and this first argument parameter is toggle. It's old toggle T and new selected toggle. Let's print this. New T new toggle. Copy this old toggle. Now we have remaining the adding the radio buttons, 3 radio buttons in root. So root get children, dot get children dot add all and bt button 1 button 2 button 2 okay, and comma btn. semicolon. So let's run this program. Okay, we have got the error. Import the packages. In later videos, I will tell you what is the HBox and this. So we have 3 radio buttons and we have one action listener. So let's see how it's work. When I will select female, old toggle is null because we haven't the old toggle. Okay, the next time I will choose the other. You can see here the old toggle female because we have in previous we have chosen the female. So this is the old toggle and new toggle. What is the new toggle? Other. If I choose the male, you can see here the old toggle is now other and new toggle is female. So this way you can add the action on RadioButton. If I say I want to, when our application start, then I want to set one toggle as a selected. So I want to set selected toggle like male set selected. Now when our application is start, male toggle is already selected. You can also the other RadioButton can be selected. So this way we can perform the RadioButton. So let's see how to apply the RadioButton using the scene builder. It has only the fxml path, so we don't need to do that. So I have already opened the scene builder. So let's go and just delete this and just type radio, grab this and here, drag here, second, third. Okay, so first go to the properties, first select first RadioButton, give the name of male. Now select second, give the name of female, and you can change the font size and color text color. So in this video we don't need to do that, so let's move on. In our previous .java we have created one toggle group. Toggle group is for adding the all 3 RadioButton in one group. So in scene builder we have to do like that. So control, just choose controls, press control, choose second and third. So now you can see here the toggle group. Give the name of toggle group, save, and we can also, when our application start, we can also set the selected one toggle. Let's check whether it's work or not. Control P, we can select only one toggle button. So this way we can add the toggle group on our RadioButton. So I want to add the event on our RadioButton. So for this we need to give the ID mail or action. Okay, event button, do the action event button. Now second, female, and other, view this show sample control, copy this, open the control class, and Just remove this all stuff. Okay, open this and just paste here. Input the packages and also import the towel. Okay, so I want to add the event on our radio button. This is simple for when we use the scene builder. Just add the if statement. In if statement, add if male radio button is selected. If it is selected, then print male, or rather than else if female dot is selected. If it is selected, then print the female. Else print, or we can say also else if the other is selected, but it's not necessary. Selected other. Now we have done the code. Choose this main method and run this. So okay, so it shows some error application dot control or XML load the exception with scene builder. Okay, it shows some error because of we have to when we change in the scene builder, we have to refresh this code. If you are not refresh the code, your code, so it shows some error. So let's refresh this code. Refresh, again refresh, run this. You can see here the code is successfully run. Now see the action event is working or not. Click on female, other, female, male, other, male. Okay, we have forgot to add the event on other radio button. So add this and add this also. Save this, refresh the code, and run again. Now you can see here. Okay, run again. Check, click on female, other, male. Okay, so this way we can we can add the action event on radio button using scene builder. So see you in next video guys with another control.